Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for a video that I'm a bit nervous of making. I'm out at the skate park with the Cleetus Mcfarland number 30 Kinetik LOSI Nascar. I'm going to give it a run round today. I'm probably going to give you some jumps. I'm going to try not to wad it up because as I film this, it is on the Thursday that he is starting testing with the Nascar truck, ready for Daytona. Obviously tomorrow he's racing that, and Saturday he's racing the real one of these in the Arca Daytona 200. We'll see how this runs today. I'm gonna go cautious. I don't want to break it because getting replacement parts for this in the UK is difficult, but I'm also not going to hold back because I want to bring you the fun and the games. The camera is clipped onto the bottom of the controller, so hopefully that will make it a little bit easier. And we'll see how we go. Before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. Now, one of the things I was thinking about is talking to Tom Lee, and this area here on the top here, we could try and do a hard park the Nascar, because he's got one. Let's see how we're doing. Right, first jump of the day. Right, let's see how this is going to go. About how I thought. Well, hey, I got it back on its wheels. Oh, it's in the grass. I landed it on its wheels. Oh. Oh, I've been so nervous about this because this is a big investment for the channel, this, and I don't want to bust it up, but I also this thing is so quick. I don't want to take it over some of the big jumps because it's not got the suspension, and my driving skill is not up to it, as we can see. But we have got it muddied up. Let's see if we can get it coming at us across here. See all the mud it's dropping out from where I was playing over there. Should have kept it on power. Oh, I say, I don't want to break this thing. What's the fun of having toys if you don't play with them? Back to its wheels. Hopefully you caught that. Oh, and the problem is obviously trying to film and drive at the same time causes its challenges. Nice, back to its wheels. See if we can get one back the other way. Oh, straight at me. Wow. Oh, clipped a little bit off the rear splitter. Whoop. And this is on the slick tyres. You can get grippy tyres for this, you can get a truck body for it. I need to find a source in America. Oh, you probably missed that, but I got it up onto the top. Wow. I'm not going to deliberately try that again. I was trying to do a wall ride and yeah, let's hope. It's got the power. Ooh. It's not got lock diffs or anything, so it's just spinning up there. That was nice little. This thing is so fun. Oh. Trying to do sort of the more of the wall tap stuff as opposed to, wow, that sort of stuff. But yeah, Oop. Oh, it's taking it. It's definitely taking it. Oh. As much love as I have for Cleetus, this ain't no shelf queen. I can't afford it to be. It needs to make some content and it's so much fun. I'm wondering whether, problem is it's 1/12, so I don't think it would do well in the touring car style races out of Norwich. And if I launched it off here, it would go super fast. Oh, nearly back onto its wheels. Had to give it a go, didn't I? Oh! Got up onto there. Right, that folks is it for today for Cleetus Mcfarland's number 30 Kinetik LOSI Nascar here at the skate park. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time.